You've been told grind harder, work smarter, drink water, but no one ever paid you for all that. Now, what if that daily effort, the walk, the cleanup, that reusable bag actually counted for something? Imagine one super app, not a scammy shortcut, not another side hustle you've already given up on, but a real ecosystem where apps like these come together with one purpose: to reward you for living better. These aren't just random apps flying across your screen. They're all built to serve that one mission, from walking to recycling to cleaning up your neighborhood, listening to audiobooks. Not fake promises, just actions that actually matter. These apps don't just compete, they combine. They feed into one system, one token, one goal, making the world better and making sure you get rewarded. And look, this isn't new either. It's growing. It's a whole community of people already living better, getting rewarded, and sharing it. This isn't about buying or investing in a token. It's about earning it. Everything you do in these apps generates a real reward that lives inside this system. But wait, what even is this token and ecosystem? The VeBetterDAO and the B3TR token. Built by VeChain, this acts as a hub of multiple diverse ways of earning B3TR tokens, which you can then either sell to get your cash reward, use directly to get gift cards, or load onto a debit card. But here's the real juice, the real reason why the community here is strong and different. Every individual user can have real impact and influence on the ecosystem by using their earned or purchased tokens to participate in voting. It's simple. You vote on your favorite apps, you state your preference, and you earn even more B3TR tokens on top of your stake. You are never locked in. You can do whatever you want with your tokens, but if you swap your B3TR for VOT3 before the round ends on Sunday, a snapshot is automatically taken of your balance and used to calculate your voting power. The point of all this? To let you earn tokens by living better, then use those same tokens to influence how the apps themselves are rewarded. The apps listen to you, they earn your votes, and you get rewarded for leading the direction. You can also vote on new proposals and grants to help shape the platform itself. If you're interested in getting started, you'll need a wallet, and I made a video linked up here showing you how to set one up fast and easy. And if you're looking for how to trade B3TR directly, that's straightforward too. But like I said, this video is about earning, not investing. Which brings me to my final point. I've been around quick hustles, people using websites, surveys, weird plugins just to make a few bucks online. This is not that. Please do your own research, but I hope this video opens your eyes to one of the most powerful digital communities out there. I'm Mecha Wonder, and I'll be here covering it every step of the way. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, but that's it for me, guys. Peace.